My name is Bill Roman. I am a technical director at Parsons Corporation. Parsons is an 80-year-old engineering firm. We do infrastructure and defense projects all over the world. I got involved with the MDE because Joe invited us to sponsor some projects, and we decided to try it out. And we did a few projects the first year, and we did more this year, and it's been a great experience. I think it is a very valuable bridge building exercise between your senior engineering staff, the guys who graduated 40 years ago like I did, to see what's really going on now and what the concerns of students are today, so that your new workforce, you're much more in tune with what they're looking for, what their needs are, and the whole design project experience being like an actual project is a great idea to give the students an experience that's going to be very similar to what they're going to get when they go out into industry. And so it really primes them and gets them ready to be more effective.